Alrighty, we've gone and bought Mum a new car off eBay, Spares or Repairs Mini, and we're going to do the repairs on it so we can get it on the road. Here it is, the new Mini. Got a few faults with it. The probably one that needs fixing the most is the ABS unit as an internal fault. It's bringing the lights on, so we're going to fit one of those that Uncle Mark's very kindly given us out of one of his scrap cars. But yeah, picked this one up yesterday for not a lot of money. I think it's a bit dark to see in there. Can't really see anything. But it's like it's not been used inside. The outside's not bad for a 20-year-old car. Yeah, first things first. Let's fit this ABS module that's dripping everywhere. Right then. I have fitted the hydro unit. Not going to bleed it just yet because I want to put brake pipes on it, so I'll do those in a bit, but I just want to make sure the fault is gone before we get too excited. So we've got the auto logic here. Let's plug her in and have a look. Right, quick look in here. Chassis, ABS. Wheel speed sensor front left, system 9 volts. No faults. Okay, go back in, no faults, back out of that. Ignition off, key out, ignition on. Ha ha ha, the ABS light has gone off. Check that out. We've now just got handbrake light instead of the two that were on before, which was those two there. Now we've just got, yeah, perfect. Thank you very much, Uncle Mark. Right, let's fit some brake pipes. Right, yeah, this is the underside of our new Mini. The only oil leak that's showing up is just here. Is the torch even on? Oh, the torch is basically flat. Is just there, which is where I've poured oil everywhere trying to fill it up in the services yesterday. So, am I pointing? Yeah, there you go. So I'll clean that off in a bit and we should be all good. But otherwise, underneath, she's got a new exhaust. The only bit I don't like is these brake pipes are a bit crispy in through here. I mean, a lot of people would leave them. A lot of people sort of let their standards slip on things like brake pipes because they can't be bothered to change them. I don't mind changing them, so I'm definitely going to do those. We've got a joiner. Ah, sweet, there's a joiner here, so that'll be nice. Nice straight run of pipe. Do that, and the job's a good one. Let's get making some pipes. Right, yeah, we have got the brake pipe number 1 disconnected. We've dropped them off, just hung them up here and left them just draining into the tray. I will sit down shortly and make a replica out of it from the copper pipe. And we'll replace that one and then we'll do the other side. Well, we've got our new brake pipes on here. Go up and around there, looking good. Just got to bleed the brakes now. Now in the later stages of today, we've done ABS unit, rear brake pipes, oil service, coolant change, put a radio in, gas the air conditioning, bled the brakes. We're just doing spark plugs now. So yeah. Where's that gone? Oh, it would go down the fucking hole, wouldn't it? There we go, retrieved it though. So. New plugs. So, oh, we did a ball joint boot as well. So the car is now completely serviceable. Ollie's laughing at me because I'm videotaping myself and talking to nobody. Talking to nobody because I am talking to the camera, but no one watches my fucking videos anyway. Are you in there?
I'm not in there.
You're not in there. You're not in the shot. It's because I'm professional. I've got a tripod.
I am here. I'm present in the moment.
You're witnessing the servicing.
I'm witnessing the
Expertise. Go. Alright, you had a rotator chip. Here we are. So I always start with here we are. We've had a nice busy day.
Hello.
Here's Ollie.
Hi,
Ollie's,
you alright?
Ollie's serviced his car as well.
Yep, all serviced, all done, mate.
We've prepared and serviced Mum's new Mini.
Nice little car to be
Jobs
fair.
are good, un? Yeah, there it is, that on the ramp. But yeah, so all is well. We've had a productive day. What have you done, Ollie?
Well, I've driven back from North Devon, caned my car a little bit, given it a nice service just to top it off, and yeah, now I'm about to go home, eat some food, and then probably go sleep, I reckon.
Sounds like a good evening, mate.
Legit.